Hi, I'm Isis Arabe, and I'm here with Ash with our mastermind group, Soul Driven Journey in the Bahamas. And I heard Ash make a statement. He talked about financial chakras, and as soon as I heard that term, I was immediately intrigued. Now, I've heard all about the chakras, the energy centers of the body, and how they impact us on our physical, spiritual, and emotional levels, but the term financial chakras, now that has to do with our money and substance and abundance, and I definitely wanted to know about that. So I slapped my money down on the table immediately so that I could be part of the pre-sale of his new book. And I'm suggesting you do the same thing. Don't wait. Send in your cash now so Ash can hook you up with the financial chakras and you can be ready to make perfect use of all of the powerful information he'll have in the book. So I'm on the ahead list. My book is coming pre-signed, coming to my home in the mail, and I'll be ready when all of the other information about financial chakras comes forward. And I hope you'll join me. Financial chakras, it's the movement of the future.